Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to set up Brothers DCP 9015 CDW printer or download and install drivers. So first of all, open your browser and then search your printer. And then click on official website. Now here you can select your window and then click on OK. Now click on printer driver. Now here you can download your printer. After download your printer driver, then open your downloaded files and install your printer driver. Now here you can see it will be installed. Now go back and open your settings and click on printer drivers. Now click on add printer and then click on add manually. Now follow these steps for add your printer. Now here you can see my printer will be installed.